Hey there, it's Clavo from clavosmith.com and welcome to my Vidviper review. Now in this review, I'm going to be taking you through exactly what Vidviper is so you can decide whether or not this is something that you should add to your bag of tricks as an online marketer. So basically what Vidviper is in a nutshell is it's a brand new app that allows you to take any URL and take the content that's on that particular website and turn it into a video that you can instantly upload to YouTube, and that video will rank on the front page of Google. If you don't believe me, let's jump into my laptop so I can show you exactly how this works. Okay, so in this Vidviper review, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking you through the sales page as well as all the bonuses that I've put together for you for this particular launch. And we're also going to go through the funnel, and then we're going to get Art Flair, who's the creator of this product, to actually give us a demonstration of how the software works. All right, so here we are, and we're on the sales page right now, and I just want to take you through this really quickly. If you want to pick up Vidviper through my link, all you need to do is go down into the description below this video, click on the first link in the description. That's going to bring you through to my bonus page, where again you can just check out all of my bonuses. This video will be there as well, so you can go over it there too, and from there you can click on the blue button and you'll be able to proceed to the checkout. So here's the sales page, and the headline reads, "Push button app instantly puts your link in front of hundreds of hungry buyers for $300 plus or more daily." So this is a cloud-based traffic generating app, and it works in any niche. And Art's going to show you exactly how this works in a couple minutes time. So I'll leave that to him, but let's just go through, some of what the sales page is saying over here. So the first thing that we can see is that it does have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can test this out absolutely free for 30 days. And if for whatever reason you don't like it, you can always just ask for your money back. Right, some of the benefits, you're going to be creating content. Creating content or videos is not required because the app does it all for you. They've also got a voiceover feature, which means it's going to take the text that's on the page, convert it into a voiceover for you. So there's no need to get your face or your voice on camera at all. It instantly gets first page rankings that bring you a boatload of traffic. So they've got something inbuilt into the software that actually allows these videos to rank on the first page of Google. You don't need a website because you're going to be able to drive traffic directly from your videos to your offers. You can put your link in front of thousands of rabid buyers. It's 100% saturation proof because you can use this in any niche. It's 100% legal and compliant. It's web-based. It works on any device. There's step-by-step training included, and you can generate traffic for the long term. Okay, so it's brought to you by Team Black Belt. You're going to see who they are in a second. There's also a demo on this page, so you can go through that. Always just want to encourage people to make sure they do all their research before buying a product to make sure that this is something that's going to actually be able to help you. Now, there are some bonuses, some fast action bonuses that you'll be able to get if you decide to pick up Vidviper through my link today. These are vendor supplied bonuses. I'm going to show you my custom bonuses in a second, but the first one is WordPress Rank Analyzer. The second one is YouTube Quick Start. This is going to show you how to get started on YouTube. The third one is YouTube Channel SEO. So you can start getting your channel ranked. YouTube Videos Optimization, so you can get your videos to the top of YouTube. YouTube Leads Plugin. All right. There's the WordPress Affiliate System, as well as modern video marketing. There's Abstract Image Collection and YouTube Channel Income Accelerator. Okay, so if you decide to pick up Vidviper through my link, these are the vendor bonuses that you're going to be receiving today. Okay, now let's head across to my bonus page where you're going to see what I've put together for you for this particular launch. Okay, so the bonuses are limited. They expire on June the 17th at midnight. And as long as this count is still running, you can still pick up my bonuses. So you're more than welcome to go out, see what other affiliates are offering. And if you decide that the bonuses that I'm offering for this launch are more beneficial to you than what everybody else is giving away, then you can always come back to this page and you can pick up Vidviper through my link. So these are my custom bonuses. The first one here is the YouTube ranking software. This is a software that's going to allow you to rank your videos really fast on YouTube with just 3 clicks. Okay, then we've got $1,000 per day on autopilot training. So this is high-ticket affiliate marketing training. It's going to show you how to drive traffic using Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as Facebook. Then we've got Traffic Inclination, which is another traffic training course, because the more traffic you can get to your videos, the more you can drive to your offers. Okay, so that's the lifeblood of any business is traffic. So that's why I've loaded these bonuses full of traffic. Then the next bonus there is a free traffic app. Okay, so this is going to automate a lot of your traffic generation. I'm also going to show you how to build a buyers list for free. So this is a tutorial that I've put together for you, and I'm also going to show you how to capture those leads to a free autoresponder that you can then follow up and send multiple campaigns to, and you can make money off of those subscribers, week in and week out for months and even years to come. And then I've got a couple of training courses that I've managed to procure from other affiliates. So the Fuego Multiplier, we've got Urgency Suites Pro, which is a software that's going to help you to add urgency to your offers. Then we've got Vsauce and VidSkippy. So these are also great traffic training programs. And then 30 days to a bigger email list, effective content marketing, as well as SEO ranking tactics. So these are my bonuses for Vidviper. Let's hop across to the funnel now so you can see all the pricing as well as all the upsells. And then I'm going to hand over to Art so he can take you through the software, and then we'll wrap this thing up. Okay, so these are all the upgrades. The front end product, which is obviously access to the Vidviper system, is going to cost you $17. Okay, and that's going to give you access to the software that's going to help you to be able to take content from websites, turn it into videos that rank instantly on Google. Then upgrade number 1 is the Pro version. So there are a couple of limitations on the front end version. One of them is that you can't create videos with more than 400 words. Upgrade 1 takes care of that. So I would highly recommend that if you're wanting to make longer videos, you pick up Upgrade 1. Upgrade 1 is $67. Okay, but there is a downsell on that particular product. So when you're going through the funnel, you've picked up the front end, you're going to get taken to another page. They're going to offer you the Pro version. If you go right down to the bottom of the page, you can click no thanks, and they're going to give you $20 off. So you can actually pick this up for $47, which I would highly recommend, because it just means that you're going to be able to create more videos as well as longer videos. They also have an image editor included so that you can create your own images for thumbnails, and you've got the option to repost multiple times after every few days for all social network sites. Okay, so it just gives you a little bit more scope to get more videos out there and more traffic. Then upgrade 2, this is going to cost $47. It's Vidviper Expert. Okay, and this is going to help you scale your video business and branding, along with done for you and proven affiliate campaigns. So there's an element of done for you included in this as well. Okay, you can get to rebrand existing videos, but you just have to enter the URL and it will get all related videos from YouTube. So you don't need to go out and find videos. You can get them straight from within the app. You can rebrand the video editor, add an intro, outro, lower third, logo, and watermark. These features are actually included in the other versions as well. You can search for hot affiliate offers from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. So from within the app, you can now find products that you can pair with the videos that you're going to be creating. So that's a pretty cool feature. You get the best performing products bi-weekly via email, as well as done for you campaigns with guaranteed affiliate approval. So Vidviper Expert Upgrade 2, this is going to cost $47, right? And again, there is a downsell. So if you go to the bottom of that page, you can click on the no thank you. That's going to give you $10. They're going to then offer it to you at $10 off, so you can actually get this for $37. Upgrade number 3 is done for you, and this is again going to cost $47. So it's 100% done for you to get started in the next 5 minutes. Okay, this includes tested and proven work. So you're going to get done for you evergreen affiliate campaigns, automated campaigns, CPA campaigns, social media promos, pretty much any type of campaign done for you. Again, $47. There is a downsell. you can get $20 off and pick it up for $27. I love Done For You because it saves you a ton of time, and we all know that time is money. Then upgrade number 4, this is the reseller pack, so you can basically sell Vidviper as well as 5 high converting funnels and keep 100% of the profits as your own. This is $197. There is a downsell here as well, so you can actually get this for $67, I believe. So check that out. And then last 2 upgrades, upgrade 5 6-figure training. So if you want additional training to become a super affiliate, this is going to cost $47, no downsell here. And then upgrade number 6, if you want to copy and paste 8 real life case studies, this is going to cost $37. And again, there's no downsell there. All right, so I'm going to hand over to Art to take you through the demo of Vidviper, and then I'll be back to wrap this up. All right, over to you.
Vidviper creates amazing looking content videos for you that generate free traffic and rank instantly. We all know that content is king. You've probably heard this phrase a million times, but the truth is video content is king. No one really reads blog posts anymore. 90% of people prefer to watch a video versus read a blog post. Now this is where the power of Vidviper comes into play, because it allows you to grab any URL of any blog post or any website and turn it into a traffic pulling video. It can be your website or it can be any website on the internet. Now, because you can turn any URL into a traffic pulling video, you don't have to do any research. It saves you hours of work. It's perfect for you if you are camera shy or if you are a beginner and if you don't really know how to create videos. And another big upside for content videos is that they rank quick, in a matter of minutes, and we include an amazing ranking formula that will allow you to go straight to the first page of Google in a matter of minutes. So obviously we'll find a number of different video creation software out there, but Vidviper is one of the only ones that creates content videos, and Google and YouTube love content videos because this is what people are looking for online, and this is what is amazing for generating free traffic. So right now let me create a video for you live so you can see how easy this is. Okay, so we are here on the dashboard. As you can see, we have total created videos, total pending videos, YouTube uploads, because Vidviper actually uploads videos for you to YouTube so that you don't even have to log into YouTube. Obviously you're gonna get all the stats, all the dates and everything else, but right now let me just click on side video and let me click on video creator to show you how easy it is to create a video with Vidviper. So as you can see, all we have to do is just grab any URL and paste it right here into the video creator. Okay, so I'm just going to my blog. I'm going to grab the URL of a review post that I made for our last product, and all we have to do is just paste it in right here and click on submit. And as you can see, from this point on, all we have to do is go through these 4 steps. So first of all, we're gonna do the screenshot configuration. We will add our title right here. So let me add the title. And then as you can see, Vidviper took a screenshot of the whole blog post. So this is exactly what will be added to the video. We can do a Pixabay search if we want to add additional videos. Okay, so we would just enter a keyword and we can use any of these images free, because these are royalty free images, free to use in our videos. Okay, so I'm going to skip this step. Let me just click on next. And as you can see, what Vidviper did is it grabbed all of the images from our blog post. So now we can choose which ones we want to add and which ones we don't want. So let me just click on these 3 images because I want them in my video. And as you can see, we also have screenshots of the actual blog post. So here we can choose which ones we want, which ones we don't want. So let's see, I don't want these last 2, and we can also rearrange them if we want to. Okay, so we can use it as is, we can rearrange it, and right here is where the magic happens. So we have all the text right here that Vidviper grabbed from the blog post, and we can pick what we want to transform into audio. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick some of the text, because I don't want all of it, but some of it right here. Let me just copy it and paste it right here where it says text for audio, and we can actually pick from a number of different voices. So we have female, we have male, and a number of different actresses and a number of different accents. So we can actually pick English, or we can pick a number of different languages like Chinese, like Dutch, like Danish, like Arabic. So Vidviper is amazing for videos not in English as well. Okay, so let me just pick this actress Sally, female, English, British, and let me click on next. And by the way, you can also record your own voiceover if you want to, so this is just an option that we have for you as well. Let me click on next. And another amazing thing is that we can add a video intro or an intro image, and this can be any image, and we can even do a Pixabay image search for free images. Again, we can add the voiceover right here for the intros and for the outros as well. And outro video, as you can see, this can be any outro video or any outro image as well. So let me just skip all of this and click on next. And as you can see in the last step, we can actually add a watermark image, a lower third image, and also we can add some text for the lower third image. So we just have tons of different options to make sure that your video is branded the right way. Even if you're using someone else's website, you can brand it as your own. So again, these are the options that you have right here, but let me just click on submit and let's skip all of these options. Okay, so let me click on submit. As you can see, the data is submitted successfully for our video to be generated shortly. All we have to do is just click on OK, and the video is now pending. So it will take a few minutes for the video to get ready, and let me show you a video that is already generated. So this is this video that I generated from the same exact URL. So as you can see, this is how the video looks like. So we have the voiceover, we have all of the screenshots, we have the screenshots that we added right here in the end. So again, we could add a bunch of different things like a custom voiceover, like a lower third image, like a watermark. But as you can see, this video was created for us in a matter of minutes, and we can upload it to YouTube and get free traffic from both YouTube and Google instantly. And again, we actually include a formula for ranking any video in YouTube and getting free traffic instantly. So guys, that's the power of Vidviper. I hope you see how powerful this is. And again, content videos is what is powerful in the eyes of Google and YouTube, because Google loves content, and especially content videos. That's how you're gonna get all the traffic and commissions in. And now let me show you one more super powerful feature of Vidviper. You remember I told you that you can actually upload videos from within the software without logging into YouTube. So let me just click right here on YouTube and single upload. This will allow you to upload the video to YouTube directly from within the software, add your affiliate link, add all the tags and everything else. As you can see, this is a 3-step process. So we have all the video data, then schedule settings, because we can schedule the video, and then video and social network configuration. Now, what is super powerful and what is not possible to do manually is multiple uploads. So you can actually create one video and then upload it multiple times to YouTube, each one with a different title and with a different keyword. This is super powerful. YouTube wouldn't allow you to upload the same video multiple times, but because Vidviper will actually spin it, you can edit a bunch of different times to a bunch of different channels or to the same channel, and use the same exact video for a bunch of different keywords you want to rank for. So this is a super powerful feature, and again, you wouldn't be able to do this manually. Again, I know that you see how powerful Vidviper is, and I will hopefully see you inside the members area.
You are. Thanks so much for that, Art. Now you've seen what the app can do for you. You know what the pricing's like, you know what the bonuses are that I'm going to offer you. So if this is something that you want to pick up today, if you feel like this is something that can help you with your marketing, then all you need to do is go into the description below this video, click on the link that's going to take you through to my bonus page. Scroll down here, click on this blue button to go to the sales page. You can then check out from there, and your bonuses will be waiting for you in the back office of Warrior Plus when you go to access your purchase. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below this video. I'll get back to each and every one of you. If you enjoyed this video, if it gave you value, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. All right, so I'll see you in the next review. Take care. Cheers.